Chair twist. Feet together, toes and ankles touching. Reaching both hands up overhead, palms facing. Look between your hands as you slowly lower down into the imaginary chair. Bringing your hands to heart center. Place your right elbow over your left knee. Twisting, gazing up over your left shoulder. Releasing, coming back to center. Left elbow, right knee. Twist, gazing over your right shoulder. Release, slowly rising up from the side. So feet together, toes and ankles touching. Raise your both arms overhead, gaze between your hands. Slowly lower into the imaginary chair. Hands together at heart center. Bring your right elbow to your left knee. Twist, gazing over your left shoulder. You want the weight to be in your heels in this pose. So return to center. Left elbow, right knee. Twist, gazing up over your right shoulder. Release, slowly rising up. Bring your hands back by your side. Chair twist.